Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Rainbow Six Siege X. While trying to play the game, you got an error of the game is not available at this time, especially on PlayStations. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let me make you one thing very clear. If you do not own the base game, you cannot play the Rainbow Six Siege X version into your system. So make sure you must own the base game of the Rainbow Six to get the free access to this particular X version, else you keep on getting the error the game is not available at this time. Now if you already own the base game and still you are getting the issues, in next step open up your web browser and you need to click on the account information of your Ubisoft account to open the account information. Launch the website and log in. Once you are logged in, click on the option account information. Now scroll down and you will find a list of linked accounts. From here, select your PlayStation account and click on the option link to link your PlayStation account with your Ubisoft Connect. After linking your PlayStation account, you need to open the official Play Store of the PlayStation. In the search box, type in Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Siege. Now find your game, like over here, the game is totally free. Select the game, download it right from here, and the issue of game is not available at this time will be completely fixed. And if the issue is still there, the only reason you are not able to play the game is because there is an issue from developer end, and even the issue is well known to the developer, and very soon they will release an hotfix update to resolve this issue. In the meantime, you need to wait for a while until you get an update to play the game. So as of now, that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.